Renovation of Kabul's power grid with installation of ABC cables. Every day exactly at 8 a.m. they began their work that sometimes stretches late into the night. This is part of the daily efforts of Imdadullah Hamidi and his colleagues to rehabilitate the power grid in Kabul city. Today they have been tasked with replacing worn-out cables in Parsat family area under junction 10 with standard ABC cables. The overhead lines installed here around 40 to 45 years ago often get tangled during windstorms and cause short circuits. We aim to prevent this, reduce electricity losses and replace the overhead lines with new ABC cables.
کیبل‌های ABC برق خوب و معیاری پیشکش می‌کند.
ABC cables offer better and standardized electricity. They are more resistant to all kinds of conditions such as wind, rain, and they don't short circuit. It should also be mentioned that these cables also prevent electricity theft in the area and reduce grid losses. Meanwhile, the process of replacing old cables with ABC cables is currently underway in Junction 10 Electricity Management Zone in Kabul.
جنکشن دهم در کابل جریان دارد.
The efforts to renovate the power grid in Kabul are not limited to laying around 3,000 meters of cables in the Panjat Pamili area under Junction 10. Officials say that in total, nearly 12,000 meters of ABC cable have been installed in different areas under Junction 10, replacing the old ones. The ABC cable installation work in Pansat family area under Junction 10 continues regularly to strengthen the electricity grid. The goal of this important project is to provide safe and sustainable electricity and reduce customers' technical issues and risk as much as possible. Around 12,000 meters of ABC cables have been installed throughout all areas under Junction 10, replacing the old ones. Residents of the Junction 10 area in Kabul seem pleased with the replacement of old cables with ABC cables in their electricity system. They acknowledge the benefits of ABC cables in improving their electricity supply. The cables installed here 30 to 50 years ago were never upgraded by any authority until now. Fortunately, these new lines offer many benefits. ABC cable prevent short circuits and withstand the severe storms common in this area. We are very happy. The process of replacing old cables with ABC cables in Junction 10 is just one example of a broader initiative to improve Kabul's power grid. As the transition to standardized ABC system continues, Kabul is moving step by step toward a more stable and reliable power grid.